Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone volume button not working. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. My volume buttons stopped working after a while. I took the case off and it still didn't work. The buttons can be pressed normally but they don't work. Now, I want to use the volume buttons to adjust the volume of my phone, but I can't do that because my volume button is not working on Android phone. Is there anyone who can help me solve the problem of volume buttons stopped working on Android phone? Please help. We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. When you want to know volume up and down buttons not working on Android phone, don't panic. To save you out, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. There are foreign objects around the buttons. The solution here is to check the buttons. When the Android phone volume buttons doesn't work, the first thing to do is to check if there are any foreign objects, paper scraps, stones, etc. around the buttons. If there are foreign objects around the volume buttons of the Android phone, then when you press the volume buttons, the phone will not respond. To solve this problem, check if there are any foreign objects around the volume buttons. If there are, please clean them immediately. After cleaning, try to press the volume buttons again to see if it returns to normal. Cause 2. The phone case or screen protector effects. The solution here is to remove the phone case and screen protector. If your Android phone uses a phone case and screen protector, then the phone case and screen protector may also be one of the sources of the Android phone's volume keys are not working. To rule out this possibility, remove the screen protector and phone case properly, and then try to see if the buttons return to normal operation. Cause 3. Temporary cache failure. The solution here is to restart the phone. When there is a temporary cache failure or other temporary problem on your Android phone, it may also make your volume button doesn't work on Android phone. Such problems are usually easy to solve, and you just need to restart the phone. Please follow the steps below to restart your Android phone. Please press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears. Then tap the restart icon and wait for the restart to complete. After it is completed, try using the volume button again to see if it works properly. Cause 4. Apps. The solution here is to turn on safe mode. If you have apps on your Android phone that have not been used or updated for a long time and third-party apps that have been downloaded recently, then these apps may conflict with your Android phone, causing the Android phone volume buttons won't work problem. To check whether the volume button's useless problem is caused by apps, you need to turn on safe mode on your Android device. Safe mode is used to test whether it is a problem with third-party apps. Because safe mode only loads necessary programs and does not run any third-party apps. If your phone works fine in safe mode, it means that third-party apps are affecting the phone. You need to find and completely delete the app, then restart the phone, and finally check whether the Android phone volume button's unresponsive problem is fixed. Here are the specific steps to enter safe mode. Press and hold the power button until the restart button image appears. Then press and hold the restart icon, and the safe mode icon will appear. You just need to click on the safe mode icon, and after clicking, your phone will automatically turn on to safe mode. Please check and use the volume buttons in safe mode. Cause 5. Problem with the button itself. The solution here is to repair the button. If none of the above methods can fix volume buttons not working on Android phone, then it is time to turn your attention to the button itself. If it is because of the problem with the volume button itself, you cannot fix it yourself. You can only take the phone to the nearest official after-sales service center for further inspection and fix Android phone volume button not working. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix volume keys are not working on Android phone, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.